Good morning.
Good morning.
We met a couple times, most recently last Friday. Are you Helen Evelyn Olauski?
Yes, I am.
You pled guilty to a charge of domestic violence when I last saw you. You've been in jail now for 24 days. And I adjourned this matter for a little bit for the prosecutor to allow them an opportunity to get input from the complainant. Again, I did shorter than 10 days notice, but enough time to attempt notice. Any input from the complainant in this case, Ms. Stoll?
Our office has not heard back from the victim.
All right. Mr. Gibson, what would you like me to know in this case?
The defendant is accepting that she understands that it was her use of alcohol that led to the events that day, and she recognizes that at her age and with her health history that she should not be drinking alcohol anymore. So she's indicating to me that she has a desire to, she's been obviously not drinking while she's at the jail, and she intends to continue with her sobriety when she's released. She is hopeful that, you know, whatever happened, that everything will be reconciled with her family. I think that this was an unfortunate incident, but it's going to teach her a valuable lesson that, you know, if alcohol, you know, if she did something that she didn't mean to do, and if, you know, alcohol's involved, she doesn't have any really good reason to be drinking alcohol, she indicates. So I would ask the court to sentence the defendant for credit for time served. I believe that 24 days jail is a substantial sentence for someone who's her age and has very limited or no criminal history. So I really believe she's learned a valuable lesson with this incident. Thank you.
Ms. Olauski, where are you gonna go? When you get out of jail, where are you gonna go? Back to Burke Road?
Probably.
All right, does Mr. Lego still live there?
Yes, he does.
That was,
I plan on getting some help.
Seriously,
Get help.
yes.
I take this is an open eye for me. You know? And I'm glad that Judge, that you see my point, you know, that you're understanding my point, you know?
Well, a lot of this problem was alcohol.
Yep.
Ms. Stoll, did you get some additional victim input here?
Our office actually just heard back from the victim. He only wants what's best for the defendant. He has no ill will towards the defendant.
Do you get Social Security disability or anything?
That's all I get, SSI, Social
All right,
Security.
and you share your money with Mr. Lego to pay the household expenses?
I pay, what we do is when the bills come in, he pays half, I pay half. And then he goes to store when he gets his check, and we buy groceries, and we get an OCT card, so we try to use that OCT
All
card.
right, so you need each other's help to maintain your rental.
Yeah, he can't live by himself.
And he has some health problems of his own, doesn't he?
Yeah, his feet swell, he can't even put shoes on. We've been to, when I went back there, we went to both Walmarts to find shoes. We could not find a pair of shoes. The last time his feet swelled, we had to order them online. And we got a 14.5 wide. Now this time, he's gonna have to see the doctor and get more help.
All right, I don't have a better answer here.
He has memory loss.
Yes,
He had a similar in 87.
I'm gonna order 24 days, credit 24 days. Ms. Sheftick, do you have any way to let him know that she's gonna be getting out?
Yeah, I told him I would give him a call after this.
All right, very good. I think he needs her income. They need to get together. I don't really want to do a probation here. Um,
Thank you.
because I think I'd just be setting her up to fail it. She doesn't have any money, she doesn't have any transportation. 24 days. He did get cut by these scissors though, so that wasn't good. I'm gonna do the minimum allowable fine of $125. I'm gonna give you until January 30th to pay it. I can't make the fine any lower than that. I could leave you in jail for 2 more days,
And how long?
but I'd rather you get out. If I leave you in jail for too long, more than 30 days, you lose your social security benefits. I don't want you to lose your disability benefits.
You have to go back up council and we don't.
No, it's very difficult. And Mr. Lego essentially needs your help for his day-to-day living. He needs your help for expenses, but you can't get real drunk like this and argue about things like this.
It was pity. It was pretty stupid.
Yes. Is somebody gonna come pick you up?
Probably not.
All right, do you need a bus pass?
You have to have 24 hours for those.
No, they can call and give us some bus pass, but we're gonna let him know. Would he come pick you up?
If somebody calls him, I got numbers at the jail, they call Henry to get a hold of her or. get a hold
Or
of
they're gonna,
Hill,
they'll call him and let him
Mrs.
know.
Hill or Scott.
I could try to grab her another.
Mrs. Hill is currently with Scott.
Who is?
Miss Hill was with Scott when I.
That's his
spoke.
mom.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go call them. I don't know if there's any. You have her phone number to contact?
269.
Don't say it here on the
No,
record.
I mean, I'm just asking if you do for when you're back at the jail to contact them, or do you need me to contact?
You need to contact, because I have no money.
Okay.
They put
I'll let her know that you're
$20
doing
on my account. And I used the $8 to call him and talk to him about the dog.
So is this the longest you've ever been in jail?
Yeah,
It wasn't much fun, was it?
not just some of the other things that, some of the other people was there. See, I don't do any drugs. I used to, occasionally I smoked weed, but, after I realized I had COPD, emphysema. I'd rather take the pills that the doctor gives me.
All right, the
I'd
point
I'd
is you
rather
don't
take
want to go
those.
back to jail, do you?
No.
Well, then don't do this anymore, okay?
You know what? The next time something happens, I'm leaving.
All right, that's probably a good choice.
But see, he complains to me when I want to go out with the women and just have lunch.
Well, I
And
can't
we don't
fix
have
that.
beer, we don't drink beer, we just go to lunch, have coffee and have lunch.
All right, you're free to go.
All right. I like to go home. I don't
Yes.
hug my dog, so I can't hug my dog because he won't like me, he'll bite me.
Thank you, Ms. Sheftick, for your help with this.
Yeah, thank you. I'm glad I
Um,
made it here on time.
well,
have a
he-
very-
I didn't think that he had any objections to this, but the statute requires you're supposed to give 10 days. I gave 7. But I didn't want to just leave him in there indefinitely, and I don't want to leave her in there so long she loses her social security.
Right, yeah, sounds like that's what they both live off of, so.
All right, but Mr. Gibson lives in White Pitch and he's headed that way,
Oh, there you
so.
go. There you go, Paul.
All right, that finishes our kind of screwy afternoon. 2 domestic violences that weren't of the worst variety.
That's all my cases for today.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Neither defendant merited other court resources. They each did a significant bout of jail. All right, we'll be back tomorrow with a very, very vigorous landlord tenant docket with some civil cases. And both morning and afternoon are full of landlord tenant cases with